Introduction. Picture this, you're lounging on your couch, doom scrolling through YouTube. There's a cat expertly playing Für Elise on a piano, a guy deep cleaning a medieval sword, and a woman explaining why Stoicism is the ultimate life hack, all while juggling flaming torches. Somewhere in the middle of this binge, a thought sneaks into your mind: why am I just watching this? Why aren't I doing this? Starting a YouTube channel might seem like leaping into the lion's den of cringe compilations and viral dance challenges, but here's the thing, it's one of the most transformative things you can do for yourself. Forget about fame or fortune, who needs it? This journey is about something deeper: personal growth, resilience, and practicing Stoic principles in a way that's both profound and occasionally hilarious. Now, before you shake your head and say, "I'm too old for this," let me stop you right there. YouTube isn't just a playground for Gen Z and TikTok refugees. It's a space where life experience, wisdom, and authenticity shine. Whether you want to share your woodworking skills, your take on philosophy, or even your cat's refusal to acknowledge you exist, it's all fair game. So today, I'm giving you 6 Stoic reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel. We'll break down modern examples, sprinkle in timeless Stoic wisdom, and finish each chapter with actionable steps you can start today. Grab a coffee, adjust your lighting, and let's dive in. Spoiler alert, it might just change your life, or at least your camera settings. Chapter 1, Overcoming the Fear of Judgment. Modern example. Meet Sarah. Sarah's been planning her YouTube debut for months. Her script is flawless, her makeup impeccable with a camera setup that could rival a Spielberg, and she's edited her video down to cinematic perfection. But every time she hovers over the upload button, she freezes. What if they hate it? What if I get trolled into oblivion? What if my mom watches it and says, "Oh, interesting"? Instead of uploading, Sarah spirals into analysis paralysis. Her masterpiece remains trapped in her laptop while she binge watches tutorials titled, "How to Overcome Upload Anxiety." It's a vicious cycle of self-doubt and procrastination. Stoic explanation. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Translation. The fear of judgment is rooted in obsessing over things you can't control, like other people's opinions. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control: our actions, our effort, and our intentions. The truth is, you could upload the most heartwarming, Oscar-worthy video, and someone will still comment, "Why does this person blink so much?" Is that a spot on the end of your nose? You can't please everyone, but you can control how you respond. Action plan: upload your first video with 0 expectations, no likes, no comments, no fireworks. Treat it as a practice round. When the trolls come, and they will, remind yourself that criticism isn't about you, it's a reflection of the critic. Write down this mantra: their opinion, not my problem. Stick it to your desk, or tattoo it somewhere dramatic. Your call. Chapter 2, Cultivating Discipline. Modern example. Jake started his YouTube channel with a bang, 3 uploads in 1 week. His friends hyped him up, and his grandma gave his first video a glowing thumbs up. But by week 4, the views are non-existent and his enthusiasm fizzled. "I'll post next week," he thought. Weeks turned into months, and now his tripod is gathering dust in the corner, doubling as a laundry rack. Stoic explanation. Epictetus wisely said, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." Discipline isn't about bursts of enthusiasm, it's about showing up consistently. The Stoics understood that your habits shape your character. Running a YouTube channel isn't just about feeding the algorithm, it's an exercise in self-discipline and integrity. Regular uploads teach you to push through creative blocks, manage your time, and commit to long-term goals. Each video becomes a testament to your dedication. And you know that the views will come. Action plan. Set a realistic posting schedule. Weekly? Bi-weekly? Whatever works, just stick to it. Break the process into chunks: script on Monday, film on Wednesday, edit on Friday. Keep it manageable. Use a calendar or app to track your uploads. Celebrate each milestone with a reward, like a fancy coffee or a guilt-free nap. Chapter 3, Building Resilience. Modern example. Claire uploaded her first video last week. She was proud of it, her editing was on point, and the lighting made her look like a glowing goddess. But then, she checked the comments. One user wrote, "This is boring," another said, "Why do you sound like that?" Claire was crushed. She considered deleting her channel and retreating into a Netflix binge for the foreseeable future. Stoic explanation. Seneca wrote, "It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare, it is because we do not dare that they are difficult." Resilience is born from facing challenges, not avoiding them. Criticism, whether constructive or cruel, is an opportunity to grow. The Stoics saw adversity as the forge where strength is tempered. Uploading content exposes you to both praise and criticism, but resilience means learning to extract value from feedback while letting go of harmful negativity. Each hateful comment is a chance to practice emotional fortitude. Action plan. View criticism as data. Analyze it. Does it offer something constructive? If not, discard it. Build a Stoic shield. Remind yourself that your worth isn't tied to others' opinions. Create a gratitude list for every kind comment or subscriber milestone. Focus on the positive. Chapter 4. Practicing vulnerability. Modern example. Tom decided to make a video about his struggles with anxiety. He almost didn't post it, worried it would make him look weak. When he finally uploaded it, something amazing happened. People flooded the comments with messages like, "This helped me so much and I thought I was the only one." Stoic explanation. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." Vulnerability isn't weakness, it's courage. Sharing your authentic self builds connection and community. The Stoics valued honesty and authenticity, recognizing that real strength comes from facing truths, not hiding them. By opening up, you give others permission to do the same. Vulnerability fosters empathy and deeper human connections, making your channel more impactful. Action plan. Share a story or experience that feels personal but meaningful. Start small if needed. Remember that vulnerability is a strength. Reframe it as bravery, not weakness. Engage with your audience's responses, build a dialogue that uplifts both you and them. Chapter 5. Embracing the present moment. Modern example. Matt spends hours agonizing over his subscriber count, what little of it there is. He refreshes the analytics page every 5 minutes, praying for that one magical spike. But in the process, he's losing the joy of creating. Filming feels like a chore, editing becomes drudgery, and he forgets why he started in the first place. Stoic explanation. Marcus Aurelius advised, confine yourself to the present. The Stoics believed happiness lies in focusing on what you're doing now, not obsessing over outcomes. Chasing numbers or future milestones can rob you of the satisfaction found in the creative process itself. A YouTube journey is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying present, you rediscover the joy of creating for its own sake. Action plan. Set screen-free hours, no checking analytics, just creating. Reflect on your why. Write it down and revisit it when you feel discouraged. Celebrate small wins, finishing a video, learning a new editing skill, or simply enjoying the process. Chapter 6. Leaving a legacy. Modern example. Emma started her channel to share her grandmother's recipes. Over time, it became a treasure trove of family history and culture. Years later, her videos are still watched by her grandchildren, preserving memories and traditions for generations. Stoic explanation. The Stoics were deeply aware of mortality. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "What we do now echoes in eternity." A YouTube channel is a modern way of leaving your mark, sharing knowledge, humor, or creativity with the world. It's not about chasing fame, haha that would be nice though, it's about contributing something meaningful. Even if your audience is small, your work can have an outsized impact. Your content might inspire, educate, or comfort someone in ways you'll never fully realize. Action plan. Identify what legacy you want to create, knowledge, stories, or inspiration. Approach each video as a gift to your future audience. Archive your work thoughtfully. Who knows whose life you might touch years down the line. Conclusion. Starting a YouTube channel isn't about chasing viral fame or winning an imaginary gold medal in video production. It's about growth. It's about courage. It's about standing up to your inner critic and saying, "Hey, I've got something to share." And let's not forget, life doesn't come with an age limit for trying new things. Whether you're 25 or 65, the act of creating something and sharing it with the world is timeless. The Stoics remind us that life is short. Marcus Aurelius himself would probably tell you to stop doom scrolling and just hit the upload button. Whether your first video gets 1 view or 1 million, the act of creating is its own reward. You'll learn, grow, and maybe even inspire someone along the way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own YouTube channel adventures. So, what are you waiting for? Dust off that camera, scribble down some ideas, and start your YouTube journey today. Worst case scenario? Your mom will hit like and tell you she's proud of you. Best case scenario? You'll transform your life, and maybe a few others, too. And hey, if all else fails, there will always be piano playing cats. Good luck.